Right boys, we're back. And as you can see, it looks a little bit different. And I'm on the seat. So yeah, we've swapped the controller out. First impressions, the acceleration is a lot faster. It's a lot quicker on pickup. But the top speed, I'm not really seeing a lot of difference, to be honest. This speedo is a bit more accurate than that one that we had before on here. But yeah, I'm liking the thumb throttle whilst I'm sat down. It really does make a big difference. And it feels a bit weird to be back on the seat, to be honest. It feels a bit, it does feel less stable, I will admit that. But once you get the hang of it again, it's fine. 26 at the minute, 27. Hey, we're getting a little bit more power, I think. A little bit. But it feels so sturdy now that stem's been tightened. It feels more precise. So let's do a quick 0 to 20. We're on 52 volts at the minute. I'll probably go up a little bit more. But yeah, so on this controller there's 5 power settings now. So let's just go to the highest one. That gives the most power. This controller does have regen braking, but I've not enabled it yet. Say at 10. We're at 20 pretty quick. I would say it's now a lot faster than what it was in the pickup. Getting 27 now, let's tuck. Okay, 7.9. So yeah, definitely faster. And now I've got a reliable controller that isn't just going to go pop at any minute. There's still a bit of wiring to sort out. I mean, I couldn't be bothered to put that straight through the stem because it's going to be a right arsehole to do it. So what I'm going to do is, oh, look at this. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some sort of like conduit up the side of it and just, it's basically the screen wire and the new throttle wire. It just feels so much more robust now. But yeah, you ain't going to get 30 miles an hour on this. Oh, if you're my weight anyway, 85 kilos, more than 90 now. But yeah, this is brilliant. I definitely recommend this. The only problem is it's not easy to install unless you sort of know what you're doing. There's a lot of chopping wires up, putting bits on wires, soldering wires together. Well, if you buy this same controller, I'll put the combo of the Hall and the phase motor wires, but there was 36 different combos for me to go through to get the right combination to get the motor to work perfectly. I've already done the hard work. But if you buy this controller, I've got all the combo of the wires, so you won't have to disconnect and reconnect everything. You know, if you're looking for more top speed, don't put this controller in. But if you're looking for more acceleration, more torque, and if you're looking for regen braking to save your brake pads and your discs and your calipers and everything like that, then this controller is definitely for you. It's around 75 quid all in all. Some of the bits come from China, so you might have to wait a little bit for it. But I'll put the link in the description for the controller, the screen, and it might be this throttle. I mean, this throttle was a bit shit actually. It's like the same one you get on the G Booster, pretty much identical, that's attached to the bottom of the screen on the G Booster, but this one was a bit shit when I got it. It completely came apart, so I've had to super glue it all back together. Woo! So yeah, regen braking, I haven't turned it on yet, but I'll have to do a video on it. But the controller's capable. Controller's capable. I think there's maybe 3 to 4 different power levels of regen as well. So you can have it come on strong, you can have it come on soft. Ooh. Now, I'm not sure if this is really going to cane your battery, this controller. It will on acceleration, but once it's up to speed, should be fine. See, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. The only thing I would say is, with these controllers, and it's like this on my bike, if you let off the throttle and you apply the throttle again, there's a bit of a delay. I mean, it's maybe like a second. Now, what you'll just have to do is become accustomed to not completely taking your thumb off the throttle, and then you'll have instant throttle. It's actually made this scooter so much better, so much better. .7. It's holding 26 at the minute.
Fucking have off.
Oh, well, I got fucking made redundant, didn't I?
I thought you'd be one of them.
I was the first one they fucking got.
Told there's been 9 people. I was like, well, that's Billy.
Yeah. I got put on furlough. I built an electric bike and been fucking racing that around all summer. And and then I bought this, yeah. About 25 mile.
That's not too bad. How fast is it? About 20 miles an hour?
27. My other one goes about 37. My bike goes 43.
I'm meant to be home at 3:30, but
Oh, you got a time limit.
I just told her that I'm not like 5:30, so come look for me. I'm not cracking my foot the other week from dropping something on it, so I'm not quite back up to full strength.
Oh, right. You're doing 7.5 miles an hour.
I'm not sure if we're just doing. It's just dropping
Right, I'm gonna get off. Gonna need to run faster than that.
Okay.
See you later. Also, the handlebars have changed. I don't know whether you noticed. These bars are from the G-Booster. They just look so much better. So, obviously you can guess there's new bars on the G-Booster as well. And I do have the G-Booster now. It's working. It's working well. It's working well. I've still got that resonance in the front wheel though, but I'm going to put that down to a quirk of the controller. It's like a stalling. But yeah, I've started modding it now. Haven't really been out on it though. Yeah, so I don't know what the next mods are going to be for the M4. Obviously, now you can't really do a lot more unless you go stupid with a bigger voltage battery and like a phase runner controller, because that would be perfect to put in this. But I'm not sure what this what these motors are capable. I know they're capable of got to be capable of a couple of 1,000 watt. But it's the RPM I'm concerned with. Do you know what I mean? Like putting a bigger voltage battery in, how much more am I actually going to see? Probably not a lot more. Oh yeah, cruise control as well, boys. There we go, no throttle. And it's on a button as well. This is more convenient, this is more safe. But yeah, the next video, it will be a G-Booster video. And then probably the one after that, we'll be trying out the regen braking on this controller. And obviously I've got to tidy it up as well, so. See? Nothing, don't have to do nothing. Brake still cut it off. See? Right guys, I think I'm going to end the video there because we're losing light. And I'll see you in the next one. Woo!